Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Now I will talk about my future plan, inshallah ta'ala. My future plan is to become a good teacher. I want to help students. I believe teaching is a noble profession in the world because a teacher can change the future of a country. I want to be a good teacher because I love sharing knowledge with others. I enjoy helping my friends in their studies. I want to teach in a simple way, inshallah. I also want to become kind and friendly so that students can share their problems with me. To be a good teacher, I will I will study hard and gain more knowledge. Inshallah, I will work on my skills. I will learn a new teaching method. Inshallah, I will to I want to teach books and good manners. Inshallah, my goal as teacher is to help my student. I want to inspire them to work hard and follow their dreams. I will try best to guide, inshallah, support and inspire them, inshallah ta'ala. So say dua for me.